Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I bet you're looking at this chart going like, Ford? Really? You really going to talk about Ford? And my answer is no, I'm not. This is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about a couple of other stocks that I think are maybe just a little bit more attractive than Ford. One would be Li Auto. Okay, it's kind of in the news. It's a whole EV kind of thing, all that kind of jazz. So this you can see is an IPO out over a little over a year, and this is still definitely an IPO category, but this is what I find interesting about this. Now, the squeeze down here has been, wouldn't really categorize it as a squeeze, between the top and the bottom, which I would say is like here and here. Is what did I just measure, 12%. Down here, if we're just looking at this little box here, it's about 7%. But the thing that's really more intriguing to me is not so much the squeeze, it's the fact that the stock's now popping above 35, and on the last couple days, volume's pretty good. So this stock could move higher. They they already reported earnings, hence the volume. But it looks to me like we've got a little bit of room to run here, and then you keep your stop. You got to give it a little bit of room, but just use the numbers. Don't risk a lot of money, but you got to give it 6 or 7% room. But wait, there's more. The one that I really wanted to feature, and I'm going to because this is my video, is XPeng. This, we put this on, well, not we, I put it on our active trade list last week. And this stock is acting really well. I always prefer to see stocks just break out and keep going. This hasn't really done this here. It had a couple days where if you're a little skittish, and I'll be honest, these days I kind of am. If you're a little skittish, you're kind of concerned about this, like what the heck am I going to do if this stock, like so many others, kind of fakes out here and falls lower? But all of that stuff today, all those questions were answered. And the stock is now up at a new high on this chart and really all the way back until, the first of the year when the stock was actually moving lower. And so the thing that you want to look at here in this context is, if this was the high in January, okay, between everybody that's in this box, a lot of these people have lost money, not these folks here. This time passing by has given the top buyers plenty of time to get discouraged and sell their stock. And so when a prior resistance, a prior top is this far behind, it doesn't even matter unless you're doing a video on it. What really matters is just the last, I would say 4 months or so is probably the maximum, maybe 5. If it is further back than that, all this is just an excuse to draw a box. But I like the way this is trading now. I actually I own some stock. I bought more stock today. And I also sold some $50 puts for January. So, there's still like 52 days remaining, so I'm not going to get a lot of time decay. But I got over $3 for them, and I'll take that. If the stock happens to pull back to 47, 46 bucks, which is where my basis would be, I'll gladly take that stock. So this is how I've traded this, and now at this point, frankly, I believe that the trade is over. Now I'm just going to sit here and let this chart do the work for me. So, okay, listen, I'm hoping that you let me do the work for you. We are still holding, and I don't know the specifics, but we've still got some like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I don't know, Terrific Tuesday, Wacky Wednesday, whatever it's going to be. But we still have some sales going on various things. So check your email. Unless I'm doing a marketing video, and you'll recognize it, I'm not a big marketing guy. I'm a stock guy. And so I don't even really know what the deals are. But I just know that if you're a member, you get some really, really good prices now on courses and things like that. So definitely check that out. If it's for you, awesome. If it's not, that's okay too. There's a lot of stuff out there, and I'm definitely not for everybody. No question about that. All right, I'll see you guys next time.